But the garage is closed. Oops.
Press the button.
No. Not sure. If you no. If you
Buzz.
No.
Why can't I play with it? I like garage doors too. Beep.
Bye.
Buzz.
No. I have a bye. Buzz.
Can I press the garage door too?
No.
What about your friend Easton? Can Easton play with garage door?
No.
What about Mommy? Can Mommy play with the garage door?
No.
What about,
Miss Corey.
can Miss Corey play with the garage door?
No.
Wow. Can I just play with the regular door?
No. Buzz.
What if we can figure out a way to motorize
Hi.
the garage door? So you go press.
Yes, wow. There's so much noise. Tasty fun. I am bye.
Taกินกีวีเหรอมาเล่นครับ
My.
Buzz.
But
Oh, he's a jerk and tie too.
Can I play with Anatan?
no.
เล่นด้วยได้ไหมด้วยอะไรกันนะโอเค
Wow, you're greedy.
You really.
Oh, you are. Oh, was that bad? It's on the DSL.
Yes, wow.
เลือกแชร์กับวินนี่พูด้วยได้ไหมลูกให้วินนี่พูเล่นด้วยได้ไหมครับ
My arm.
Winnie the Pooh likes to share Anatan likes to share too
Since when?
ใช่ไหม
Buzz.